Look at what we're seeing on Lake Michigan, a dangerous place for joggers and bicyclists. Look at this. Wind-whipped waves crashing ashore. There, authorities closed that stretch of the lakefront for the rest of the day. Wind was also blamed for knocking out power to thousands of folks there. So we say good morning to Reynolds Wolf. What was going on there in Chicago?
Basically, just some really strong winds, a really impressive aerial pressure right off parts of Lake Michigan. With the wraparound winds, you had the winds that really, of course, pushed the water stacked up. You had some waves out there, TJ. They were in excess of 20 to even 30 feet that lashed both sides of Lake Michigan, affecting not only parts of Illinois, but, of course, over into Michigan itself. Yeah, kind of a dangerous situation there, but thankfully weather should improve there today. But things might get worse in places like